Hi everybody, are you a bit of a gadget nerd? Someone who likes to tinker with their trailer and do mods, change things, make it your own? Maybe you've got a great idea that you think every camper trailer should have, or everyone who owns one should do. Well, we want to know about it. What I want you to do is submit photos and a bit of blurb about the mods you've done to your trailer. If you think you've got some special stuff on your trailer that you've done that everyone should know about, get in contact with me. Send me an email because I want to come out and film your mods. Take a few photos and write a text sheet to share with all the other MDC owners. So don't be shy, give me a yell. My email is stevez, S-T-E-V-E-Z, @marketdirect.com.au. Shoot them across to me. We'll come to your house and we will film it and we'll share it with everyone else. But at the moment, I can only cater to Brisbane and Sydney. So if you're in the Brisbane or Sydney area, give me a yell. I want to see it. I want to come out and film it and write a text sheet for all the MDC followers. If it's a great mod and we use it, we'll have some kind of prize to reward you for your time. So you've got the email, get in touch with me, let's do it. And between you and I, we can help everyone else escape with confidence.